हिंदी में सभी को नमस्ते, पंजाबी में सत श्री अकाल, इंग्लिश में हेलो एंड इटालियन में ciao. In English 0, in Italian 0, in English 1, in Italian uno, in English 2, in Italian due, in English 3, in Italian 3, in English 4, in Italian quattro, in English 5, in Italian cinque, in English 6, in Italian sei, in English 7, in Italian sette, in English 8, in Italian otto, in English 9, in Italian nove, in English 10, in Italian 10. In English 11, in Italian undici, in English 12, in Italian dodici, in English 13, in Italian tredici, in English 14, in Italian quattordici, in English 15, in Italian quindici, in English 16, in Italian sedici, in English 17, in Italian diciassette, in English 18, in Italian diciotto, in English 19, in Italian 19, in English 20, in Italian 20.